Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody.
Buenas tardes.
Buenos tardes.
Yeah.
I can't be. I haven't had my lunch yet.
It's afternoon. We had some toasted sarnies before we came out.
That were breakfast.
Brunch.
Brunch, mate.
You have to bleep that one in.
Here we are at Plaza de Tolosa. I got that right, didn't I?
Yeah, well done.
I've been practicing. And this place encapsulates all these bars, and it's a nice entertainment hub. But also it's got petanque down there as well. You've got petanque. And they all went to watering hole, didn't they? We just caught the back end of the petanque. Look, Tuesday today, 1st of December.
1st of December.
So it must be, Tuesday must be games day, do you think?
They've all gone now, haven't they?
They've all gone. They're all at watering hole, getting hammered.
Oh, I've seen some in Chicken Shack as well.
Chicken Shack, because they've all got the jumpers on, haven't they? All the team
The
shirts.
bags.
And the banks with the balls in,
Yeah.
if you pardon the expression.
There's the hairdressers.
Hairdressers.
Yeah, we've done that one.
We've done that one.
The
Have we done the
watering hole.
joke with the 3
We've
R's?
done it, yeah.
No, we've done that one.
And it's all fallen out now, so you just got a big party.
Got a big party right down middle. Whee! Look at that. So we've had a nice pint at Chicken Shack, haven't we? We had a nice pint there.
Yeah.
It is so warm in the sun.
Can't
1st of
believe
December.
it's 1st of December and we're sat
blinding.
here. I'm roasting and I've only got this vest and a shirt on. I'm
Your vest-
roasting.
Are you roasting? So let's go through the bars.
The watering hole,
The watering hole.
Chicken Shack.
Oh, I like the Chicken Shack.
There's a La Boheme bar,
La
which
Boheme.
is Christopher's bar, which we haven't been in there. And there's Bar Glenn's.
Bar Glenn's. That's very popular for music.
That's next to the Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, they have music nights, don't they? Music days,
I do, yeah.
jam sessions. It's great. There's a few other bits and pieces, like there's the estate agent, and there's insurance places.
A what?
Insurance.
Oh.
And but there's plenty of bars. That's the main
And there's a
thing.
post office,
Yeah, that's a nice little shop.
which
that
is
post
really
office.
handy.
Sell everything, don't they?
Yeah.
They've got big barrels full of wine. Red wine, rosé wine, white wine.
Which you wouldn't expect in a post office.
You know how much it is?
How much is it?
$1.70 a litre.
So why haven't we got some?
I don't know. Didn't bring any bags, did we?
No. And what else is there around that corner?
Oh, you mean fish and chips, don't you?
Yeah.
San Louis fish and
San Louis
chips.
fish and chip
Ooh,
shop.
I'm getting excited.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll have some later.
And there's a charity shop as well, an animal rescue charity shop.
Yeah, that just shows what a nice community it is
Yeah.
around here. Nice community.
And it's quite busy today.
Yeah, busy.
1st of December.
Red hot.
Really hot. Sunshine.
We're going to go to Casa Ventura, which is just up the road. We'll give you a little glimpse into that. It's quite a big place. Got its own big pool, and I think you can go and use the pool all day for a nominal price.
But it's not open at the moment.
It's not on at the moment, no. Before the pandemic, we used to go there and play quiz night. There was some great quiz nights there. And there used to be a fella there. What do they call him?
Chris Dyson?
Chris Dyson. And he used to do a quiz with a difference. And it were
Yeah, it was on your phone.
they were on your phone. Really good. We went loads of times,
What did
didn't
they
we?
call it?
We never used to win though, did we?
No, we were rubbish, weren't we?
We weren't very good. I'm not very good.
But
We're
it
not
was
very
all,
good.
it was fun.
It was good fun, yeah.
Hopefully he'll be back again.
But it would be nice after the pandemic when everything gets back to normal to see those quiz nights come back. I'm sure they will do.
So let's get on up there then.
We're going to go up there. We're going to crack on and get up
Yeah,
there.
let's crack on.
We're going to crack on.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. St Louis in 2 parts because it's a big place. We've ended up here at Casa Ventura, which has got a nice big pool area and a bowling green, very popular with the locals and tourists alike. So, on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. Is it not time to wrap the video? It is time to wrap the video. Do you want to say anything before we wrap the video?
No.
Okay, well it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, it's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1. Adios.
Adios.